If your Benton County home was listed for sale and didn't sell, I'm going to tell you something you may not want to hear. It probably wasn't bad luck. And it doesn't necessarily mean there's anything wrong with your home, but it does mean something about the strategy didn't work. Because in today's Northwest Arkansas market, you're not just competing against the house down the street. You're competing against new construction, builder incentives, more resale inventory, increasingly selective buyers, and better positioning. And once your listing has been sitting for several weeks, buyers start asking a very different question. Instead of, is this the right house for me? They start asking, what's wrong with it? That is a difficult position to recover from. But an expired listing does not mean your home can't sell. It means we need to figure out why and not repeat mistakes. I'm Jim McDonough with Viridian Real Estate, and today I'm going to walk you through the post-mortem of an expired listing. And then I'll show you how I would take a stagnant Benton County property and reposition it from expired to escrow. Part 1. The market changed, but did your strategy? One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is assuming growth means a quick sale. Northwest Arkansas continues to benefit from Walmart's new campus, corporate relocation, population growth, and expansion around XNA. But strong growth doesn't mean buyers will purchase your particular home at any price. The market has become much more selective. Higher borrowing costs have created interest rate fatigue. Buyers adjusted but haven't forgotten lower rates. They are doing a lot more math. They're comparing the monthly payment, taxes, insurance, and potential repairs, asking, if I'm going to spend this much every month, am I getting enough value? A home can sit if the price, condition, presentation, or location doesn't line up with buyer expectations. That's the new reality. Part 2, absorption rate matters. You don't have to become a real estate economist, but you need to understand inventory leverage. Essentially, we're asking, how much inventory do we have compared with how quickly buyers are purchasing it? Inventory increases give buyers leverage. If you listed with 6 comparable homes and weeks later there are 10 plus new construction, your competitive position absolutely changed. Pricing is an ongoing strategy, not a one-time conversation. We need to monitor what's coming on, what's pending, and what's reducing. Active listings tell us what sellers want. Closed sales tell us what buyers were actually willing to pay. That's the math that matters. Part 3, the silent competitor, new construction. In Bentonville or Rogers, your buyer likely has new construction on their list. A builder isn't emotionally attached. They look at inventory and sales velocity, and they have financial tools an individual homeowner doesn't have. They can offer closing cost assistance, interest rate buydowns, upgrades, appliance packages, all designed to move inventory quickly. On the surface, you're $10,000 cheaper at $450,000, but with a builder's incentive, that $460,000 house may feel less expensive monthly, and it's brand new. Roof, HVAC, appliances, energy efficiency, and a warranty. That's the competition. We have to understand the buyer's choices today. Part 4, the 21-day honeymoon. I call the first few weeks the listing honeymoon. That's when your property is new and curiosity is highest. But when a home doesn't sell, after 6 or 8 weeks, the psychology changes. Buyers start to wonder if something is wrong with it. A buyer who might have offered close to asking in week 1 may now offer $25,000 less. Overpricing ultimately costs you more money. Part 5, the expired listing post-mortem. So what happens when I look at an expired or stagnant listing? I don't start by saying, relist it. I want to know why it didn't sell. Number 1. Pricing. Was it based on current market conditions or hope? I study what sold and also the homes that didn't sell to find the ceiling. Number 2, showing activity. Few showings mean no perceived value to even look. Many showings but no offers mean a condition or presentation problem. Number 3, presentation. How did it look online? Lighting, staging, clutter. Your home's first showing happens on their phone. Capture their attention. Part 6, strategic staging, not just decorating. Staging isn't always expensive furniture. Sometimes it's about removal, lighting, and decluttering. We may need to remove furniture, rearrange, brighten lighting, or remove personal items. Help the buyer visualize their life in the property. Part 7, digital appeal. If the same house comes back with the same photos and description, buyers see a rerun, not a new opportunity. A successful relisting needs new professional photography, updated video, improved staging, a revised pricing strategy, and targeted digital marketing. We need to identify the story. Maybe it's the 10-minute commute to Walmart, proximity to the Razorback Greenway, or a 3-car garage. Highlight that feature. Part 8, relisting is about repositioning. When an expired listing comes back, I want to reposition it. Price isn't the only answer. Marketing matters. We figure out which problem we have. Advertising won't fix a property that isn't competitive. Staging won't fix an inflated price. Alignment is key. Part 9. The first 2 weeks of the relaunch. Once we relaunch, I'm watching the market. Are they clicking, saving, and requesting showings? The market gives us information every day. Hope is not a pricing strategy. If we have no activity, we react quickly rather than waiting. Part 10, From Expired to Escrow. If your home expired, think of it as data. You now know how buyers responded to that price and presentation. We use all of that information to build a better strategy, not by doing the same thing again, but by taking a hard look at buyer behavior. If your home expired, don't assume you need a huge price reduction, but don't ignore the market either. Do a complete listing post-mortem first. I'm Jim McDonough with Viridian Real Estate. Visit jimmcdonoughrealtor.com for a strategy review. Change the strategy, and let's move from expired to escrow. Helping Northwest Arkansas homeowners sell smarter, not harder. Strategy matters. Move forward with confidence.